Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P40 and today I'll show you how to insert SIM into this device. So before we get started, you will need a SIM ejector. As I have one right here, they come provided with the device. You can find it somewhere in the box, but if you don't want to bother, you can always use a paper clip. Just straighten out one of the edges and it will work just as well. So there, let's pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom of the device, right over here. You can, there it was. So you can see it's right here. Now it does take also a memory card, but it takes the HUAWEI basically exclusive nano memory, which is the size of a SIM card. Now I don't have one on hand, and I don't really plan to have one because they're overpriced. But if you do, you can use it on basically the other side. I can basically distinguish which side is which. On the nano memory, you can see NM. While on the other one you can see SIM. If I pop it out right here, you can see right here SIM 1. Now also, if you wish, you can also use a secondary SIM card, so you can put it instead of the nano memory, you can slap in a SIM card on here as well, and you can use basically dual SIM. So that's just completely up to you. So once you place it in, you can then slide it back into the device. And let's give it a second. It should give us, there we go, a pin for the SIM card, and automatically, without any question, change the language to the SIM card. Because that's exactly why I chose the language at the startup. So once you have inserted the card, you can put in a pin and then get a forcible language change, and you're basically good to go. I guess once you change the language back. But that is basically how you would insert a SIM card into this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.